Purdy from Blendco Systems. I'm here to tell you about Blendco's patent-pending SuperBlend 100 Center. I'm joined by Kelly Swope from Blendco's marketing department. Thanks for joining us, Kelly.
No problem.
We've selected Kelly because Kelly's a marketing professional, not a detergent and protectant professional. And she's going to show you how easy it is to make products for your car wash using the SuperBlend 100 Center in 3 easy steps. You ready to give it a try?
I'm ready.
Okay, so we'll start with protective equipment. We've got rubber gloves on. We'll put our glasses on. And before we get started, I want to tell you a little bit about the SuperBlend 100 concept. Blendco has a tradition and history of selling creative ways to lower your cost as an operator. And we've always believed that concentrated products that don't ship any water are the way to go. But unfortunately, most pre-soaks, most tire cleaners, most protectants contain a lot of water, and you're paying for the shipping and freight associated with those. We're able, through the SuperBlend Center, to send you a super concentrate and not send you water. You can, with the push of a button, with the steps of 1, 2, 3, you can make the type of concentrates that you're used to buying from a catalog house, from a top producer, from really any supplier, and you can significantly save money. So, with no further ado, let's make some pre-soak. We're going to make automatic pre-soak. Pre-soak similar to what you'd use in a touchless car wash. And Kelly, I'm going to let you do this. I'm just going to instruct you through the process. So step 1 is you need to decide what you're going to make, and you need to bring the products. We've already set up for part 1 to be a SuperBlend liquid alkaline. Step 2 to be Pre-Soak 2000, which is a concentrated surfactant designed for automatic car washes. We're also going to look in the manual for the SuperBlend 100 Center, and we're going to select from the menu the injector type that we need to make automatic pre-soak. And we've already done that. And Kelly, I'll let you show our customers here how easy it is to install it. She places it in place, and we're really ready to move on to step 2. Step 2 is kind of fun. You turn the unit on. We're going to place a lid on top of the container. So I'll describe what Kelly is going to place on here. We've got an outlet of the concentrated detergent, and we've got a float that's set to make exactly 5 gallons of detergent. Now, we can make 5 gallons, or we can make 30 gallons, or we can make 55 gallons. It just depends on which top that we use. So Kelly, we're going to make a 5-gallon pail. Put that down there. And now the fun part of part 2, which is to push the easier button. Go ahead and push the button. You'll see a light come on. You'll see our pressure regulator, which is making sure that we're at the right pressure to make the ideal product. And you can see the 2 products being pulled together and making a final, highly concentrated automatic pre-soak. Now, Kelly, you might say, well, how long is this going to take?
Well, how long is this going to take?
Okay, I'm glad you asked, Kelly. It's going to take between 4 and 5 minutes to make this automatic pre-soak. So if you were an operator working in your car wash, you could go empty a trash can, or you could go check on a customer need, you could check on the changer. You could really do anything around your car wash while it's making a pail of high quality concentrated pre-soak. You don't need to worry that it's going to overfill. You don't need to worry to do anything else. You've really accomplished everything you need to make the product in by simply pushing a button. And you can see that there's an illuminated dial here that when it's complete will actually turn back off again. Now, while that's filling, I want to demonstrate what else is possible. We could certainly, if you wanted to make a high quantity of product, you could simply put a 30-gallon vessel here, and you could put the discharge tube in here, and over a period of time, we would fill up a 30-gallon, and again, using the proper 30-gallon float, it would automatically turn off. So we can make 5-gallon, we can make 6-gallon, we can make 30-gallon, we can make 55-gallon. And we aren't just making pre-soaks. We can make pre-soak, we can make tire and wheel cleaner, we can make high-pressure detergent, we can make foaming brush detergent, we can make tricolor conditioner, we can make clear coat protectant, we can make drying agent, we can make a total car protectant. You get the idea. We can make any chemical that you use at a car wash using the SuperBlend Center and using SuperBlend super concentrates to make these products. Now, we have another example here. We will provide you through this through the SuperBlend 100 Center. The station itself, which has, of course, a power on and off button and a button for activating the manufacturing center. We also have the gauge that shows you what pressure we're at, and then there's adjustments on the back to maintain that pressure at all times. Now, as long as you have a relatively good pressure of water, this system will maintain the pressure manufacturing for quite a long time. You don't need to worry about water and pressure fluctuations, because built into the system is the controls to maintain that and guarantee an accurate and reliable product every time. I'll show you over here that we have another concentrate that we could show you would demonstrate, in this case, making a wax product. This is the total car protectant, and in the case of the total car protectant, we would replace the 2-injector system with an injector designed for a single product. So we would simply remove this injector, we would put an injector on for total car protectant, and that would make a drum of concentrated total car protectant. On each of the labels are instructions around dilution rates. You may be interested in how much this costs or how much it saves. This 5-gallon pail of product that we're making here will cost you, the operator, only $45. Compare that to even catalog prices of $55, $65, $75, and you're saving a tremendous amount of money with what results in almost one easy step. So, Kelly, you getting excited that we're getting close to completing the manufacturing of our first pail of automatic pre-soak?
Looks like we're done.
Yeah, it looks like we're done. So there's only one step left. We've done step 1, step 2. Step 3 is to simply remove the lid there and allow the line time to drain out into the vessel, which looks like it has already. You can see that we're at 5 gallons here. This is a test of your muscle. You need to put the lid on there, and you need to grab the end of the hammer, and you need to give it a very aggressive blows all around it. So there you go, great shot. One's on the other side, and it looks like you've done it. So Kelly, congratulations for demonstrating the SuperBlend 100 Center. We appreciate it. If you'd like some information about SuperBlend, we encourage you to contact Blendco at www.blendco.com or any other information about SuperBlend 100.
I got the magic in me. Every time I touch that track, it turns into gold. Everybody knows I got the magic in me. When I hit the floor, the girls come snapping at me.